Looking at your forecast over the remainder of this week, it looks like each and every day will have a chance for a few thunderstorms here and there. That doesn't mean it will rain at your house each day. And in fact, some folks may see rain while others may not see a drop as we make our way through the rest of this week. Warm weather on the way, highs in the 80s. That will continue all this week into the weekend. And then breezy weather this weekend and early next week as winds start to return on the south 15 to 25 miles per hour. So let's check out what we're tracking for you here. We'll go with high temperatures first, showing you about 87 degrees on Tuesday, lowering into the lower 80s on Wednesday, which is still above normal. 85 degrees for Thursday, and then slowly going up from there into the mid to upper 80s this weekend, going into early next week. And notice how our normal highs are now getting into the lower 80s. A few storms will be possible on Tuesday. I don't really anticipate too much. Now, through this week, I think most of the dynamics will be West Texas, Northwest Texas, into southern Oklahoma. That's where the best chances for thunderstorms will likely reside. We will have a weak warm front make its way into the area for tomorrow, and that surface boundary could initiate a couple of thunderstorms, especially east of I-35 as we head into Tuesday afternoon. As far as rain chances are concerned, I don't have high rain chances for us. This is more the air mass pop-up thunderstorms here or there. 30%, especially late Tuesday going into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, where a complex of storms out in West Texas may try to get close to our western counties. Then 30% on Thursday, and then 20% Friday before tapering off as we head into the weekend. As of now, though, I don't see widespread significant rains for our area. As we look at your future track, as we get into Tuesday morning, some low clouds will be moving in, so the low-level moisture will be there as that warm front makes its way back to the north. And that could initiate a couple of thunderstorms, especially near the Brazos Valley by late afternoon tomorrow. Some of those screaming on in as we get into about Tuesday at 9 p.m. here. But notice they're generally weakening. There's not a lot of shear, so I'm not anticipating severe weather with these. Maybe some small hail, gusty winds at best. Then out to the west, we do have a complex of thunderstorms that will be developing tomorrow evening on some models. Some models don't have it. But if they do indeed develop, this particular model is saying a lot of it's going to go off to the south of us near the Austin area. Other models bring it in just west of I-35 and then it dies out, it gets to I-35. Other models don't have anything at all. So again, we're kind of playing the game now with which model's right. And then as we get into Wednesday afternoon, again, a few thunderstorms will be possible here or there, but they will be scattered. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the upper 50s and low 60s across the northern half of the area. Low to mid 60s down to the south, except 68 in Bryan College Station. And then for tomorrow, highs into the mid to upper 80s. It is going to be a pretty warm Tuesday around here. And looking at your forecast, 87 degrees on Tuesday, goes to 82 Wednesday. More cloud cover around. 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, we'll be watching mainly the early morning hours and then again late in the afternoon Wednesday. Then a couple more thunderstorms possible Thursday into Friday. Again, anything's going to be isolated to scattered across our part of Texas. Better rain chances will be north and west of here. And then as we get into the weekend, we'll take it down with temperatures into the upper 80s. We'll keep it into the upper 80s as we head into next week, maybe a front Tuesday, Wednesday or so. That could bring another chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. And for the Brazos Valley, 86 degrees on Tuesday, 83 Wednesday, 40% chance for a few thunderstorms then. And again, just a scattering here or there of a few showers and storms. If you get under one, you may get a nice downpour. Others may not get anything at all. Then as we head into the weekend, highs into the upper 80s. That continues into next week.